here again. So as soon as the software is downloaded, then it will tell you that there is a software update. So you can start from the screen or from your phone. Let's start from the screen. So I'll show you a tip. I'll give you a tip. So you start from here, and it says you can schedule it, but you can install it right now. So we'll install it right now. And then there's this countdown from 2 minutes, but we want to do it right away. So you just type it several times and it goes to 0, and then it starts. That's it. Very easy. So again, it's software updating from 2023.32.7, and on a phone you can keep up with the percentage. On the display you'll have the progress bar. As every time there is a software update, I would like to see the percentage on the screen, so that you can keep up with the screen, while maybe on the phone you do something else. I don't know. It's going to be nice to see a progress bar plus a percentage that is moving, so you have the feeling that something is going on. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit as soon as it goes to 60% or 80%, and I'll be back. So we are at 60%, and this is usually the time where it stays too long on the 60%. And I saw some videos that people think that it gets stuck. In reality, it goes to 80% right after a bit, but it takes a while. Unfortunately, there is no percentage on the screen, so you really don't know what's going on. It would be a great improvement to see a percentage here that is improving, and not just it goes from 10% to 30%, and then to 60%, and then to 80%, and then it goes to 100. So there is no feedback to the user that the installation is just fine. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit when it gets to 80% or 100%. We'll see. So we are at 80%, so it should be a few minutes to the end, and it's 12:08. So I started 45, something like that. So okay, it's rebooting. So it's 12:15. Yeah, it's around half an hour. So most likely there are new features. So when it gets here, it does 2 reboots, and then you get back to the normal screen and the installation is done. So update is done, vehicle is rebooting, and it takes a couple of minutes. It does twice, as I mentioned. It will see what is the updates that this software update will bring. On the app it says update is rebooting, and it says version improvements. This includes most recent update for your vehicle and region. So we need to check the release notes on the software update on the display as soon as it gets back. Let me check again here. So on Not a Tesla app site, doesn't mention too much. It says improved autopilot visualizations. I'm not sure if it was the one from before. Improved the reverse camera view. I think this one was from the ones before, so we'll see. Usually if there is a new feature or an update on a particular application or games or whatever, on the list of icons that you see on the bottom, or when you do the pop-up, there is a dot. I don't remember what color it is. I think it's green or blue. I'm not sure. But that means that there was an update on that particular app. Last time they updated a game, and I noticed the dot. I do not play games, so okay, so it's done. Let me go to software update. Let me stop the music. And so 2023.32.7 was successful. Okay, let's go to the release notes. And it says version improvements. This release includes the most recent update for your vehicle and region. Doesn't give you more information. Let's see if there is anything here. Update? No. Arcade? Nothing here. Let's see. Spotify? No. Okay, I have to check more details online. Usually when this software update are available and you do the installation online, someone finds some very specific details of the update. So right now there are no updates that are clear. Anyway, so there were some improvements, but we don't know the details. That's too bad. But the installation went well, so pretty good. Everything went well. The installation was successful. It took almost a half an hour. So for sure there is some new feature. Maybe are available in a bit or something. I don't know. We'll see. I need to do some research online to see if there are any new feature that we can play around with. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share it, turn on notification, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.